Welcome to the debate room. Osama Zaid is here. Good evening and welcome to our special coverage of the latest developments in Russia-Ukraine conflict. A major drone attack, peace talks in Saudi Arabia and diplomatic maneuvering. Tonight we break it all down for you. Russia's defense ministry has announced that it repelled what appears to be the largest Ukrainian drone attack on Russia territory in 3 years. Overnight, Russian air defense destroyed 337 drones, including 91 over the Moscow region alone. According to Russian authorities, the drone attack struck multiple locations, including Moscow and surrounding villages such as Spornov and Domodov. Tragically, at the latest, 3 people have been reported dead, and the damage is extensive. So far, there has been no official response from Ukrainian authorities regarding the attacks. Meanwhile, in Saudi Arabia, key diplomatic discussions are taking place. US and Ukrainian officials are meeting today to explore pathways to end the war. Though Ukrainian President Vladimir Zelensky is notably absent, US Secretary of State Marco Rubio is leading the American delegation in Jeddah, where he is expected to gauge Ukrainian willingness to make tough compromises for peace. Speaking to reporters, Rubio emphasized the importance of both sides taking difficult steps to resolve the conflict. Marco Rubio said the most important things we have to leave here with a strong sense that Ukraine is prepared to difficult things just as Russia must. We are not setting conditions, but we need to understand how far apart both sides truly are. Following a call with Ukrainian Foreign Minister Andriy Sybiha on Friday, Rubio described their conservation and constructive. Meanwhile, a brief statement for the US State Department dictated that President Trump remains determined to end the war as soon as possible and believes all parties must work towards sustainable peace. While Russia claimed to have neutralized hundreds of Ukrainian drones, Ukrainian Air Force has also reported significant defensive success. Overnight, they claim to have intercepted 79 of 106 drones launched by Russia. Russia claimed to have neutralized hundreds of Ukrainian drones. Ukraine Air Force has also reported significant defensive success overnight. They claim to have intercepted 79 of 126 drones launched by Russia, with an additional 35 failing to reach their targets due to electronic warfare countermeasure. However, the fate of remaining 12 drones remains unclear, with drone warfare escalating and diplomatic talks intensifying. All eyes are on Saudi Arabia to see whether a breakthrough can be achieved. Will these discussions bring both sides closer to peace, or will hostilities continue to escalate? We'll keep you updated all developments as they unfold. For now, stay with us for more analysis.